Konrad ke sangma menteri rangba kajala hakashpo trek ko lalingkot arjar Pynnneh la pentep akipor pulet ko West Garhulls district kila kem ya laingot ki breo ki badon kti ko bom Pynnneh yo wei samla bat penmensaw yo wei pat ko blaja golgaun ko bahab rajabala police station hakan opai singi jong khandai trek ko lalingkot arjar Pynnneh ulong makibor Pynnneh district ko West Garhulls kila ya chkhmat banthaw de ko peace committee de Dkhot ya shimpen talang ya ki NGO na katiga district pat Kyntu ya borok kinong Shongsuk kari lum karo panitrelang ban Pynnneh ek Shongsuk Shongsngai kuman chukdo utei blaklat no udei Dkhot ka ACHIK NGO belatip kerteng kumudil sang em sangma karkum kipulet ong bakawai ka kanhuon ka banjurep ika jingti mau be an hajan raja bala pat kalasha thombor kat badang wan phai nak te chaka ka kanhuon ka badei jong ki Dkhot ka ACHIK kalasha pensange da ka kanhuon ka bom la tiet adien ka jingenia long ma ka jing bom jing tiet ka dei da ki dieng bat ki mau bat bon naki ki la phet kat ba Ngut ki la mensaw ka ba wei naki ula khlat no hatura civil hospital hapadang ka jing smar.
There was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident that took place in Garo Hills, where one youth lost his life and one was seriously injured. We condemn this particular incident and at the same time express our condolences to the members of the bereaved family. Last night, the West Garo Hills police was very swift and multiple raids were made in different locations. 3 people have been arrested and the police is working tirelessly to find the rest of the people who were involved in this heinous crime. Today, the Deputy Commissioner has called different members of civil society to form a peace committee and to ensure that all related matters are discussed in detail. At this point in time, I would like to urge the citizens of Garo Hills that we must ensure that peace and communal harmony continues to be there in Garo Hills. There will be a lot of news that may be circulated in social media. Please filter them carefully. At this point in time, let me assure the citizens that the police and the administration is on its job and we will ensure that strict action and all the people involved in this heinous crime are brought to justice.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya